Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a common and frankly, pretty annoying. So, what does P1D73 actually mean? In simple terms, your truck's brain, the powertrain control module or PCM, is seeing a problem with the boost pressure. It's either detecting that the boost is too high, too low, or that it's building up too slowly compared to what it's commanding. This code is your truck's way of saying, hey, something's not right with my turbocharger system, and we need to check it out. Now, you might be wondering what causes this. The culprits are often related to the variable geometry turbocharger or VGT that's on these Cummins engines. The most common cause, by far, is a sticky or seized VGT actuator or sliding nozzle ring. Over time, soot and carbon buildup can cause these moving parts to get stuck. When they can't move freely, the turbo can't adjust the boost pressure correctly, which then triggers the P1D73 code. Think of it like this. The VGT actuator is trying to open or close the vanes inside the turbo to control the exhaust flow and spin the turbine. If it's stuck, it's like trying to adjust a water faucet that's rusted shut. You can turn the handle, but nothing changes. Other potential causes, though less common, could be a faulty boost pressure sensor giving incorrect readings, a leak somewhere in the charge air system, like a cracked hose or a loose clampor, even wiring issues between the PCM and the VGT actuator. It could also be a malfunctioning VGT actuator itself, where the electronic motor inside has failed. So, you've got the code. What are the symptoms? You'll almost certainly have the check engine light on. Beyond that, you might notice a significant loss of power, especially when you try to accelerate or pull a load. Your truck might feel sluggish, almost like the turbo isn't working at all. You could also hear some unusual noises from the turbo, like a high-pitched whistle or a whining sound. In some cases, you might also see a decrease in fuel economy because the engine is unrunning as efficiently as it should. Alright, let's get to the good part. How do we fix it? The first step is always proper diagnosis. Don't just throw parts at it. A good quality scan tool that can read live data and perform component tests is your best friend here. You'll want to look at the commanded VGT position versus the actual VGT position. If the PCM is commanding a change and the actual position isn't moving, or is moving very slowly, that's a huge clue that the actuator or nozzle ring is sticking. You can also command the VGT actuator to sweep through its full range of motion. This is a built-in test on many scan tools. While the test is running, listen carefully. If you hear the actuator straining, clicking, or making grinding noises, it's a strong indicator of a mechanical bind. If you suspect a sticking actuator or nozzle, the most common repair is to remove the turbocharger. Take it apart and give it a thorough cleaning. There are cleaning kits available and plenty of videos online that show you how to do this. You need to get all that carbon and soot out so the parts can move freely again. While you have it apart, inspect everything for wear and tear. If cleaning doesn't solve it, or if your scan tool tests point to an electronic failure of the actuator itself, you'll need to replace the VGT actuator. This is a part you can typically buy separately from the turbo. And don't forget the basics. Before you condemn the turbo, do a thorough check for boost leaks. A simple visual inspection of all the hoses and intercooler pipes can sometimes reveal a crack or a loose connection. You can also build a simple boost leak tester to pressurize the system and listen for hissing air. Also, check the wiring harness and connectors going to the VGT actuator and boost pressure sensor for any damage or corrosion. To wrap it up, the P1D73 code on your Cummins is almost always pointing to a sticking VGT system. Proper diagnosis with a good scan tool is key to pinpointing the problem. Whether it's a good cleaning or a new actuator, addressing this will get your truck back to running strong. I hope this video helped demystify the P1D73 code for you. If you've dealt with this before, drop a comment below and share your experience. What was the fix for your truck? Your story could help someone else out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more diesel tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next one.